The first question is mean term corresponding to the decimal number 15 is, and this is a question from TRB 2012, and we know binary equivalent of this 15, that is 1 1 1 1. So this 1 are represented as A. If you are considered the bit A, means this represent 1, A bar represents 0. So here 1 1 1 1 4 1, so we give name A B C D, so all are 1. So the min term corresponding to this decimal is A B C D. So here the answer is A. Next question, simplify the Boolean expression f of a comma b comma c is equal to summation of 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. And this is a question from TRB 2017. So first they give this min term 0 2 4 5 6. So first write the equivalent of this min term. 2 is 0 1 0, 4 is 1 0 0, 5 is 1 0 1, and 6 is 1 1 0. So now we can solve this using K-map, and this is a three variable K-map because they mentioning 0 to 6. So total number of bits here is 8 bit. So 2 to the power 3. So we use 3 variable to represent this 8 bit. So this is a 3 bit variable K-map. So we can write this is A and this is BC. So BC 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and A is single bit 0 1. So now this min term means it produce the output 1. So put 1 for every min term. So 0 0 0 we have 1 output, and 2 0 1 0 also 1, and 1 0 0 1 0 0, and 1 0 1 1 0 1, and 1 1 0 1 1 0. So this 1 1 0 1. So solving this, we can match this 4 bit, it make a square, and also this 2. So now we can easily solve this. If you are considering this 4 bit, what are the bit values are changing? So this consider this A bit, A variable, and this A variable is changing 0 1, both the values having this 4 shell 0 and 1, so it's changing. So eliminate this A, and considering this BC 0 0 1 0, and this B is changing here 0 but here 1, but C values remain 0 for this all 4 shells. So C is non-changing value, so take the non-changing value. So this is 0, so put C dash, and plus consider this same manner, this 1 is not changing, the A variable is not changing, but this consider this BC, B is constant but this C is changing. So A is also not changing, so A, and here B is not changing, that is 0 value, so we put B dash. So here the answer is A B dash plus C dash. So here the answer is A B dash plus C dash, so here the answer is B. Next question, the Boolean expression for y is equal to AB plus A bar C plus BC. So now add AB plus A bar C plus BC into A plus A bar, and this is equal to 1. So multiplication with this, not change this BC value. So A plus A bar, so this become AB plus A bar C plus ABC plus A bar BC. So now consider this term and this term and this term, this term. We can have a common term here, AB is the common term. So taking out, it will become 1 plus C, and here A bar C is the common term. So this is A bar BC. So we will get A bar C into 1 plus b. So this value and this value become 1. So we will get ab plus a bar c. So here the answer is ab plus a bar c. Answer is A. Next question, the minterms of the function f of a comma b comma c is equal to a plus b bar c is. So first, what are the minterm missing here is b and c. So first term we add here is b plus b bar and plus b bar c. So now this is become ab plus ab bar plus bc, b bar c. And now also here a is missing, again here c is missing. So again ab c plus c bar plus ab bar c plus c bar, and here a is missing, a bar into bc, b bar c. So now we will get abc plus ab c bar plus ab bar c plus ab bar c bar plus ab bar c plus a bar b bar c. So now the answer is abc plus a b bar c plus abc bar plus a b bar c bar and a b bar c and a bar c bar c. So here the answer is A. Next question, what does the Boolean expression AD plus ABCD plus ACD plus A bar B plus ACD plus A bar B bar on minimization result into? And consider this term and this term, we can take ACD out. So first minimize that one, taking ACD out we will get 1 plus b and a bar b plus ACD. So 2 ACDs we have, so we can eliminate one term, so no need to write again, plus a bar b bar, this term a bar b bar. So now this become 1. So we will get AD plus ACD plus A bar B plus A bar B bar. And also here AD is common, so taking outside we will get 1 plus C, and here A bar is common and we will take B plus B bar we get. So this also become 1 and this also become 1. So we will get answer AD plus A bar. So again we can minimize this by taking minimize this by a bar, taking 1 plus d. So we will get AD plus a bar plus a bar d. So now consider this term, t is common, taking out we will get t into a plus a bar plus a bar. So this become 1. So we will get a bar plus d. So this is the answer. So here the answer is a bar plus d. D is the answer. Next question, if a and b are Boolean variable, then what is a plus b into a plus b bar? So first a plus b into a plus b bar. So multiply this two, we will get a and a plus a into b bar plus b into a plus b into b bar, and this, so now this become a and plus a b bar plus b a plus b b bar. So taking a common plus a into a common, this is b plus b bar plus this becomes 0, b into b bar, that is equal to 0. So now we have a plus a, this also 1 into 1. So we will get a plus a, that is equal to a. So here the answer is B, A. Next question, what is the Boolean expression A XOR B equivalent to? And we know XOR operation, that is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. So this is the Boolean expression of XOR gate. So here the answer is B. Next question, the Boolean function can be expressed in canonical SOP sum of product and POS form for the function y is equal to A plus B bar C. Which are such two forms? So first we have to fill with missing terms. So here y is equal to A B bar C means here B and C are missing. So first we have to fill that one. So we will get A B plus B bar plus B bar C into A plus A bar. So we will get A B plus A B bar plus A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. Now again C term is missing here, so another one C plus C bar. Here also A B bar C plus C bar plus A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. So this is become ABC plus ABC bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. If next term, check for similar variable. If you have similar term means we can eliminate any one of them. So we don't have any. Yeah, this one and this one both are same. So we can eliminate. We can take any one and eliminate one. So now put all binary equivalent value. So A B C means 1 1 1 plus this is 1 1 0 plus this is 1 0 1 plus this is 1 0 0 plus this is 0 0 1. So equivalent decimal of this number is, this is 7 and this is 6 and this is 5 and this is 4 and this is 1. So min term, sum of this min term is equal to y of A comma B comma C is equal to min term 1 4 5 6 7. So the POS term, that is, this is POS and this is SOP, sum of product term, and this is product of sum term, that is the remaining term. What are the term missed here? We will write it in this POS form. So here 0 is missing, so 0 and 2 is missing and 3 and 4 5 6 7. So only 0 2 3 is missing. So it has summation of min term is 1 4 5 6 7 and max term is 0 2 3. So here the answer is summation of 1 4 5 6 7 and 0 2 3, and here the answer is B. Next one, the minimal sum of product form F is equal to A B bar C D plus A bar B C plus A bar B bar C plus B C D is. So similarly, first we fill the missing terms. So first we have all 4 variable and here D is missing, so D plus D bar, and next term also D is missing, so D plus D bar, and next term A is missing, so A plus S bar A bar into B C D. So expand all C D plus A bar B C D plus A bar B C D bar plus A bar B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A B C D plus A bar B C D. So check for similar variables. So this one and this one are similar, so eliminate any one, and okay, no other similar variable. So now write the equivalent binary. So that is 1 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 0 plus 0 0 1 1 plus 0 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 1. So now we can solve it by using 4 variable K-map. So this is AB and this is CD. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Similarly 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So now we have one output for the combination 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 1, this is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, this also 1, and 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, this also 1, and 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, this also 1. Next 0 0 0 0 1 0, this is 1. Next 1 1 1. So this is the combination and we will get this and this. So first we check the non-changing variable, and considering this both A and B are changing, but CD is common to all, so we take CD plus, and considering this 4 and A is not changing and B is changing, so consider A alone, and combination of this two, C is not changing, D is changing, so consider this C. But here this is 0, A is 0 value, so A bar, and here C is 1, so C. So here the answer is A bar C plus C D. So here the answer is A bar C plus C D. So B is the answer.